Hello everybody, welcome to your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Buju Banton and Snoop Dogg team up for our new Music Friday. The duo today officially released their 420 single called High Life.
Not known, half blown, homegrown, rock and rolling stone. Oh Mary Jane, could you please take me home?
Now on 420 yesterday, Snoop and Buju took to Instagram Live to premiere their track to fans ahead of the release. Snoop expressed regret for not having Buju on his 2013 Snoop Lion Reggae project, while Buju expressed his gratitude to Snoop for the single.
I'm happy that we could find some time to jam together with the world. You know what I mean? I'm happy. This is an amazing body of work.
Cuz this is a dream come true for me, Buju. When I was working on my reggae album, cuz I wanted to work with you so bad, cuz this is a dream come true for me.
Just cool, nothing before the right time, you know?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, because it's a drive to see the cultures, you know? We're doing this not for ourselves, but for the culture. Yes.
That's it, that's all.
So I want to say thank you for taking time out of a crazy day. And we do it again in person pretty soon, because High Life is a must every day.
Every day. I'm coming to Jamaica to see you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to Jamaica. Tell the president the D.O. Dub is coming.
I guess we'll be seeing Snoop back in Jamaica real soon then, right? Well, 5446 was my number is now 100 million. The hit single by Toots and the Maytals has surpassed the 100 million mark on Spotify. The 60s reggae record got new life as it was recently featured in the clothing brand Levi's 150th anniversary for its 501 jeans. Since the feature, the streams have ballooned and is pushing past the milestone on the platform. Toots, who passed away in 2020, named the song after his prison number, which he wrote while incarcerated for marijuana possession at the Richmond Farm Prison in St. Mary. The charge was later expunged from his records. And his legacy lives on through his daughter Liba. The pioneering reggae singer's family, through their D&F music company, recently announced his daughter Liba is the new lead singer of the new Toots and the Maytals band. The band is set to hit the road next year for a 2-month tour of the US, which will begin in February and end in April, to be followed by a month-long tour of the UK. Now, actor Martin Lawrence gets his flowers, or in this case, his star. The 58-year-old was yesterday honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Joining him for the momentous occasion were Steve Harvey and Tracy Morgan. At the ceremony, Martin gave new actors a word of advice as to how to survive Hollywood.
The blessing of my extraordinary gift of humor has and continues to help me many others. Spending time and creating all the memories possible with my family and friends are most important, and everyone that truly knows me can attest. I am honored to have my career flourish as I persevered through many adversities, and here I still stand. If I can pass one thing on to those coming after me, it would be to board your dream bus with confidence, grace, and humility, and ride it till the wheels fall off.
Martin is preparing for the upcoming Bad Boys 4 film with Will Smith. I'm Daedran reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.